This video is about what every startup needs to know. This is information that is not easily available in other places. And the key message is: structure seals the fate. This means that the way you organize and structure your organization, the way you design it, is going to have an enormous impact on the outcome of what it is you're trying to achieve. In other words, you might have the best intentions in mind for your company, your organization, but if you choose the wrong type of structure, that very structure will make sure that the exact opposite is achieved. If, on the other hand, you have access to this information and understand how it works, the structure that you create can actually help you in achieving your goals. So here are some examples. One, a negative one, is welfare animal activists who wanted to end animal suffering, but because of their structuring, ended up helping the exploitation of more animals in more horrendous ways than ever possible, while making people think that everything was okay. So this is one example, and I take it up in my book. A positive example is permaculture. It's a way of working with nature in order to have nature help you get the plants and the food that you actually want, instead of having to work against nature and fight it in order to grow your own food. In my book, The Devil is in the Structure, you will find many other examples. So, starting a new organization can make an enormous impact on the world around you. Right now, you have the ability of doing that, of impacting the world around you in a very positive way. Or, if you are not aware of how you're structuring your company, you might do the opposite. So, before starting, please read The Devil is in the Structure.